Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix slow boot times on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So I will be showing you a few methods here on how to fix slow boot times on Windows. First, you have to go to your system, look for power and sleep here, and then under power and sleep, you have to go to the right side and then tap this additional power settings. Click this one. And what you're going to do here is you have to tap on or go to the left side and click. Choose what the power buttons do. Click this one right here. Tap on change settings that are currently unavailable. Click this one. And what you're going to do here is you have to make sure that you have turned off this fast startup in Windows. This can help fix slow boot time, especially if your PC is hanging or having issues during startup or shutdown. Next is open your Windows shell and you have to copy this power CFG space slash hibernate space on. So, using PowerShell to enable or manage Hibernate settings with a PowerCFG command can help fix certain reboot or shutdown issues, especially when fast startup or hybrid shutdown features are misbehaving. After that, press enter and then restart your computer and see if this method works. Next method is disable high startup impact apps in Task Manager. So open your Task Manager and then go to the Startup tab. Click the Startup tab at the top. You will see a list of programs that run when your PC starts. Check the Startup Impact column. Look for high impact programs. Right click on a program with Startup Impact High. Click Disable. Example, Microsoft Teams. Could be Skype, Spotify, and other application. Only disable items you recognize and don't need immediately at startup. Do not disable antivirus or drivers. Now, last is you need to update your driver right here. Go to Device Manager, select your driver, and then you need to update. You can search that manually here. And once done, then you should see this Windows has successfully updated your drivers. And basically, these are the methods to help you fix slow boot times on Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.